right up top here, mid to lower back, and then right down to the tailbone.
Yeah.
Just like that. Good. And deep breath in. Right there. There it was. Awesome. Other side, please. There we go. Take a deep breath in and out right there. That's what we want. Good. And we'll do the hips.
Okay.
Left side first. Good. Right side. Awesome. And then we'll go face down for the mid back. Let those arms fall all the way down to the ground for me. Good. You got it. Come right here. Take a deep breath in and out. Yeah. That moved enough.
Yeah, it felt like it did for
There we
sure.
go.
Oh, nice.
How's that feel?
Feels way looser.
Better?
Yeah, I feel like it's moving.
Okay.
That feels much better.
Good
I don't know
stuff.
why it was so bad up there, but
Weather, workouts.